Hello, how to solve 2 to the power of t plus 2 equals negative 22. Now, if you have a power n plus m equals a power n times a power m. Applying that here, we have 2 power t times 2 power 2 equals negative 22. So from here, we have 2 power t times 2 power 2 is 4 equals negative 22. So from here, we can divide this by 4. We divide this by 4. So 4 eliminates 4. I have 2 power t equals negative 22 divided by 4. This is negative 11 to cancel there. To cancel here, we have 2. This is negative 11 divided by 2. So from here, I can apply natural log. I have natural log of 2 power t equals natural log of negative 11 divided by 2. So from here, I can have natural log of 2 power t equals natural log of, here is just like writing negative 1 times 11 over 2. So if you have natural log of a power p, this is p times natural log a. And also, if you have natural log a times b, this is natural log a plus natural log b. So, applying this identity here and this identity here, what I'm going to have is t times natural log 2 equals natural log, this is negative 1 plus natural log 11 over 2. Now remember, if you have e power I times pi plus 1 equals 0, meaning e power I times pi equals negative 1. So t times t, this is t times natural log 2 equals natural log e power I times pi plus natural log 11 divided by 2. Now, if you have natural log a divided by b, this equals natural log a minus natural log b. So from here, we have t times natural log 2 equals natural log e power I times pi plus natural log, this is 11 minus natural log 2. Applying this identity here. And don't forget that natural log e power I times pi equals I times pi natural log of e. So this is t times natural log of 2 equals I times pi natural log e plus natural log 11 minus natural log 2. So this cancel this. I have t times natural log 2 equals pi times pi plus natural log 11 minus natural log 2. Isolating t, I divide this by natural log 2. I divide this by natural log 2. Natural log 2 cancels natural log 2. So I have t equals I times pi plus natural log 11 minus natural log 2 divided by natural log 2. From here, I have t equals I times pi divided by natural log 2 plus natural log 11 divided by natural log 2 minus natural log 2 divided by natural log 2. So from here, we have t equals I times pi divided by natural log 2 plus natural log 11 divided by natural log 2 minus this cancel this, we have 1. And remember, natural log a divided by natural log b equals natural log a to the base of b. So we can say that t equals I times pi divided by natural log 2 plus natural log 11 to the base of 2 minus 1. So this is our answer right now. So you follow the step-by-step method of solving this. Now let's consider when negative 1 equals I power 2. So the question remains the same. 2 power t plus 2 equals negative 22. And we go back to the famous index law. A power n plus m equals a power n times a power m. So this is 2 power t times 2 power 2 equals negative 22. So this is 2 power t times this is 4 equals negative 22. So we divide this by 4. We divide this by 4. Now 4 eliminates 4. I have 2 power t equals negative 22 divided by 4. Negative 11 over 2, because 2 cancel here, negative 11 to cancel here, we have 2. Now at this point, we applied natural log. Natural log 2 power t equals natural log negative 11 divided by 2. Alright, so from here, if I have natural log a divided by b equals natural log a minus natural log b. And also, if I have natural log a power b equals b times natural log a. So applying that here, this is t times natural log 2 equals natural log negative 11 minus natural log 2. So from here, I have t times natural log 2 equals natural log negative 11 is negative 1 times 11 minus natural log 2. And remember, if you have natural log a times b equals natural log a plus natural log b. So from here, we have t times natural log 2 equals, this is natural log negative 1 plus natural log 11. Then we have natural log of 11, then minus natural log 2. So if you have this negative 1 here, you have square root of negative 1, this equals I. Now, if you take the squares of this cancel this, meaning -1 is the same as I power 2. So because of that, we are simply going to have t times natural log 2 equals natural log. This is I power 2 plus natural log 11 minus natural log 2. And remember, natural log a power p is the same as p times natural log a. So from here, you have t times natural log 2 equals 2 times natural log I plus natural log 11 minus natural log 2. I can easily isolate t by dividing this by natural log 2, dividing this by natural log 2. Natural log 2 eliminates natural log 2. I will have t equals 2 times natural log I plus natural log 11 minus natural log 2 divided by natural log 2. So from here, I have t equals 2 times natural log I divided by natural log 2 plus natural log 11 divided by natural log 2 minus natural log 2 divided by natural log 2. So from here, I have t equals 2 times natural log I divided by natural log 2 plus this will be natural log 11 to the base of 2. Remember, natural log a divided by natural log b equals natural log a to the base of b. Then this cancels itself. I have -1. So this becomes our answer, again based on I or -1 equals I power 2. So this answer here and this other answer here, where we have I times pi, is the same depending on the method you choose to use. So this is I pi divided by natural log of 2 plus natural log of 11 to the base of 2 minus 1, while this is 2 times natural log of I divided by natural log of 2 plus natural log of 11 to the base of 2 minus 1. So 2 times natural log of I is the same as I pi. So guys, with this, we have come to the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Any method you want to use is absolutely very fine. Thank you and goodbye.